What's up guys, it's Faris and I'm out here in Uganda with the Abode project to show you guys exactly what this amazing organisation are doing. Over the next few days I'll be personally engaging with every single person involved in the project, so let's check it out and get involved.
It's my 5th time here, 3rd volunteer trip.
It's my first time here, to be honest, seeing it come together. It's been fantastic.
I've never done it before, it's my first time.
It is my first time. It's my first time.
This is my 2nd time. 5 trips, it's just been amazing.
Yeah, this is my first time. I didn't know anyone when I came over here, and everyone's just proper clicked, haven't we? It's been such a good vibe. Everyone's got on. Everyone's like best mates in the space of a few days.
Really? Tell us, the Abode project, how's it going?
It's going really, really well. We've got so much done in the space of a week. We've had 2 new buildings. This building over here wasn't there on Monday. That's gone up since Monday.
Whole building?
That whole building there. Yeah, from the ground, from digging it to laying all the bricks.
From what it started when I first come, because I come out here the year before, it's nuts. Like it was just 2 blocks and buildings before. You know what I mean? Now look at it. You've got playgrounds, you've got toilet blocks, you've got music rooms and things like that. I mean, so you can to see it actually happening and changing. It's just mental. It's crazy.
How has it been having everyone here working? Tell us a bit about the project.
Our kids are going to school. It's very important. Most of the kids are orphans. They don't have a chance like this, but now they got the chance. So for us, it's a dream come true, and we thank Abode for having you guys come down here and do what you do. It's amazing. These guys are working so hard. Everything is coming up so fast, and the kids are already studying. The teachers have where to sleep. They're getting paid. It's amazing, I told you. It's magic. It's magic.
Every time I come here, I'm always amazed by the effort and the work that everyone does and the camaraderie and the team spirit and all those things. Every time I go home thinking, you're never going to beat that. Every time we come back, we beat that. It's incredible to see this new group of people from all different backgrounds, all different ages, all different careers, jobs, whatever, come together to make this magic happen, because it is magic.
It's been an amazing experience. Everyone's so welcoming, friendly, even though they're in pretty dire situations. And then the volunteers are great, so it's been a really good experience.
We're up there doing the playground. We've got some nice pitch roofs up there. We've got the slides going in. Yeah, everything's starting to take place. Got to level the ground out and go from there, and now we've got some dry weather.
We've touched up on the schools, we've built a music studio for opportunities for children to get involved with DJing, because that equipment wasn't out here originally for them. Everything's hands-on, full-on, everyone's just getting involved in teamwork, so yeah, I love it. I've been teaching the teachers as well. We've been doing PE lessons so that they've got a bit more of a range.
Wow, okay, so you're the first one we've spoken to who's done that. Everyone else has been more just, painting, building, but you've actually been teaching teachers.
Yeah.
How's that been?
They've really enjoyed it. They definitely learned netball, handball, they just loved it. They just wanted to learn all the time.
So we're organising all the donations that were brought over. Every volunteer brought 3 suitcases of supplies. I'd say this is half of what we had. We took about 30 children off the street the other day, reclothed them all, done them all backpacks with pens, pencils. All the labourers, Ugandan labourers, they work barefoot. Obviously if you're standing in a building site it's not safe. So Kane and Emma, they bought about 40 sets of wellies. They got everyone's size and they sat and they gave out all the wellies to every workman.
That's amazing. You lot doing such a good thing. I heard you say earlier that this happens all around the world, we just don't know about it. What made you pick Uganda?
I chose Uganda purely because it's ex-British colony, and I know that the Ugandans love to party, and I love to party, and I knew that, if I could come, I could potentially somehow merge dance music in with charity, which is what we've done. We've just put on a festival now where the profits are going back to the community, and Uganda is the pearl of Africa. They are the happiest nation. I've been to Tanzania, I've been to Ethiopia, Rwanda, and for me, you can't beat the Ugandan spirit. They're always smiling, always dancing. I'm good, how are you? Do you want to be on camera? Yeah?
The kids are very happy to have education for the first time. They were left in the community, no education, no food, and no uniforms. By now they have uniforms, they gave food, hot meals, twice a day, and we are very happy for what is taking place here. We can thank everyone that donated money to our project, the volunteers that have come as a group to help the Abode community. So honestly, we are very happy. The classrooms are permanent, good desks, the furniture is well painted, and this will be the best school in Uganda very soon.
Everybody, say hello. Very good. Very good. High five. High five. High five. Oh, you don't